Hi there, Mark here again. I've got Rob on the camera.
Hi folks.
And now for something completely different. Guys, don't switch off. I know that I'm normally known for Tamiya.
You are.
But I've gone and bought something different. I've gone and bought a Carisma, and it's not even a fast car. I'm not used to the slower trail cars or crawlers, but I've gone and bought, I think it's a bit of both, isn't it, Rob? A trail and a crawler put together. So what is it? It's a Carisma SCA-1E, and it's a kit because, as you know me, I always like building my cars.
Too right, mate.
I think get in there, get your fingers dirty, get to know the car itself and how it all works, and yeah, not only do you enjoy it more when you drive it, but you'll know where to start maybe if something goes wrong. So that's why I like my kits, and yeah, this is very different for me. So why have I gone for this, Rob?
Because you can't get any Tamiyas.
Spot on, mate. You can't get any Tamiyas at the moment, or not any that I was really interested in at the moment. So I had a look around, and I was looking at the CC-02. Yeah, again, comes in at kind of the same price as this, but the only body you can guess on a CC-02 at the moment is the Mercedes, and we're not keen on that, are we, Rob?
No.
So it's not one of my favourites, and being British, you can't get more British than a Land Rover Range Rover. Especially the original. This is the original 1981, and I think it's a really good reproduction.
Yeah, it does look good.
Something in the vein of Tamiya that's basically really scale looking. I didn't want one of those crazy crawlers with the great big knobbly wheels and all that kind of thing to go. This really fitted the bill, and like I said, it's about the same price as the CC-02, and I think as we have a look inside the box, you'll see it's quite a bit better spec. So I've got high hopes for this one, and I'm really looking forward to doing something non-Tamiya for a change. So don't worry, I will be getting more Tamiyas in the future as they become available, but for now I'm going to have a go at this for the winter. So this is my next little project. I think we should stop talking now, or I should stop talking, Rob.
Yeah.
And let's get this box open.
Cool.
Limited edition version. So here we go. Just look at the side here, Rob. This is the special edition extra piece, or pieces should I say, which are CNC machined alloy wheels. They're bead locked, so we'll get those out in a second. Just to let you know, guys, don't tune out yet, because what I'm going to do is take everything out the packets, out the plastic, so we can have a proper good look at it. So yeah, let's just get the bits out the box. So there's the tyres with foams, I think, and there's the extremely good replica scale Range Rover body. So we've got all the parts in there. I think there's lots of plastic parts as well, grills, lights and so on, and all the stickers. We'll have a look at that in a minute. And then we've just got bag after bag. So again, shall we use the magic of video and get these bags open there? Yeah, let's do it. So back in a sec. And there we have it. Where should we start, Rob? There's so many parts.
Wheels.
Yeah, start with the wheels, because they're not in numbered bags, are they? So you've got those. Oh my gosh. Now these are beauties. You can see it's in two halves. I think these Allen bolts hold the two halves together, and there's your piece that clamps the tyre in the middle. And yeah, very beautifully finished.
They are.
And yeah, licensed to Land Rover, so the exact copies of the original 1981 wheels that came on the Land Rover. And here are some very soft all-terrain Carisma scale crawler tyres. So they do feel very soft, and as you can see, the foams are included in there.
They are. So
that's cool. That's what you get in the limited edition.
Yeah.
It is limited, isn't it, Rob, and not special edition?
It is.
So yeah, so there's your wheels and tyres. Let's go on to bag A. Oh yeah, bag A is basically these gorgeous aluminium shock bodies and all the components you need there to make up the shocks. A set of very soft springs, and you've got look like stainless shafts there, and all the parts that you need to make those shocks up. Bag B has got some kind of gears in. I'm not sure, these must be some maybe transfer gears, and I have checked with a magnet, and the gears are steel, so that's a bonus.
Cool.
That's marvellous. And
You know, I love me metal bits.
and as you can see, we're a bit disappointed to see that there are a load of bushings in the kit rather than bearings, but strangely enough, I'll let you know now so you don't think, oh, it's bushings. When we opened the bodywork up, lo and behold, in the bag looks like one of the body supports or the body posts is a bag of bearings. How strange is that? It's not mentioned anywhere on the adverts or on the box, so you get all the ball bearings with it, which is great. I've got a spare kit because I didn't know. I've bought a set anyway, so I've got a set of spares, so yeah, bonus there. They were only cheap anyway. So, on to bag C. These parts here look like they're to do with the axles. I think that's where the suspension mounts. I'm not sure, we'll find out. You've got all the associated gears in there, and we've got some cases here. We'll find out where they go. Bag D, this looks like to do with the steering, because I think that's the front steering tie rod, yeah. In here we've got the C-hubs, front and back, I think, yeah. And lots of other components in here. I think these are the drive shafts for the front, because it looks like you've got a CV joint there. So that'll need building up. It's all steel components. Yeah, so that looks like for the front end there. Bag E, again we've got some, this will be part of the axles. I think you've got, unfortunately, plastic hex drives. I think they're 12mm hexes, but that's a bit disappointing. Looks like those will be for the wheel hexes. But you do get, again, these are some more drive shafts, and they're steel. Bag F, these look like all the ball joints, aren't they?
They look it.
So they'll be for the suspension links, I would imagine, and maybe the steering as well. And we've got lots of steel bars here with
there's the 4-link suspension.
That's it, with the thread on the end, and again they're all steel. Check with the magnet. Yep. Bag G, I do like these. These look like CV jointed prop shafts. Very well made. That looks like really good quality, doesn't it, Rob?
It does.
I do like those. Very nice. So yeah, that's that. On to bag H. So all these came in bag H. Again, we've got, looks like we've got a pinion. I wasn't sure we'd get a pinion, but yeah, so there's a pinion in there. Other gears and parts. There's an aluminium, I think that is. Let's just try. Yep, that's an aluminium motor plate, which is cool. And looks like the gearbox cases. And we've got spur gear, and it looks like, yeah, I think we look somewhere. There's gaskets here, so whether it's oil filled, I'm not sure. And again, more parts for gearbox, I think, in there.
Yep.
That's that. I won't open bag I. It looks like bag 1, but it's bag I. These are for the bumpers. I think these are optional, so I don't think these are going to look rather fitting on my Range Rover, so I might leave those in the bag, but I might look at getting a different body for it, because you can get lots of bodies for it, so they might come in useful in the future, so we'll keep hold of those. And the last one, we've got the body rails, and as you can hear, those are metal, and again I just checked, they are steel, which is rather good, because steel is nice and strong.
Cheers.
So they're your main rails, and I think those are the side runners, I think they're called, aren't they, Rob?
Possibly, yeah.
That fit onto the side of the chassis. And then you've got all the various plastic mount parts, so there's lots of different mounting holes for the shocks there. That's lots of adjustment. And yeah, some more plastic parts, and the rest of the screws and bolts. And by the way, yeah, all the screws and bolts, I should say, in here, you probably can't see that, Rob, but they are all Allen head. They're all hex drive, which is rather nice, and they're all steel.
Cool.
Shall we have a quick look at that body?
Yeah.
Okay, though, so there she is. As I said, it's a really well detailed replica of the Range Rover, and the Lexan does feel quite thick, I've got to say. But as usual, right down at the edges, it is a lot thinner at the end, because of the way that they press these bodies. But yeah, I'm really pleased with that. It's very nice. And also you get the plastics with it, so you've got the mounts, and then you've got a bunch, you've even got an interior mirror, you've got the wiper blades and so on, the mirrors, and you've got various body parts, the bumpers and grills. which is all nice. So it's all LED ready, light buckets. So I shall be trying to put some LEDs into these. That should be fun.
Cool.
And then you've got the clear plastic, so you've got the light lenses front and rear. I'm not sure whether we're going to have to paint these or what, or whether it will be stickered, but again, be fun to find out. And the last thing that I'm not really that keen on are the stickers. Some of these lights, I'm not sure about those. I think we might be painting them instead, aren't we, Rob?
Maybe,
But I don't know. I'll have a look at what other people have done. And these are, I think, these black parts are for the pillars, the window pillows. Again, I think I might paint those because the stickers are very, well, they look very stickerish, don't they? I think
they do.
They're quite thick, aren't they?
I think, yeah.
But we'll see. We'll have a look at that. I think these are window masks, so that's good. We can mask all windows off, because the last thing I'm going to show you, something I really don't like, but there you go, is the window stickers themselves. I don't know if you peel these off. Let's have a go, Rob. They might be transparent or partly transparent. Let's have a look.
Oh yeah.
Yes, they are. So actually, that might not be too bad. So it's its own smoke effect built in without having to spray the smoke. So I might have a look at that and see how it goes. Okay, guys. So there you go. This is what you get in your SCA-1E limited edition kit. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm looking forward to getting this all together and seeing how it runs. I hope you join me on future videos, seeing what happens, even though it's not a Tamiya. So in the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and it's good night from me.
And it's good night from him.
Cheers.